Hey everyone, welcome back. If your BNZ debit card is declined, here's how to fix it. First, start by checking your available balance. Insufficient funds are the most common reason for declined transactions. Then, review your daily spending limit inside the BNZ app or internet banking. If your purchase exceeds your time limit, increase it if needed. Then make sure your card is active and not temporarily locked. Some banking apps allow you to freeze your cards and unfreeze your cards. Then, if the card has expired, check whether it has or not. If you're making an international or online purchase, confirm that the online and overseas transactions are enabled in your card settings. If the transaction still fails, it could be a security block, or contact BNZ support to confirm there are no restrictions on your card. That's how to fix the BNZ card decline error. Subscribe for more quick fixes.